Passionate, come look at this. You got a swivel on here. This is just what I wanted, just what I ordered, exactly what it said, exactly what it advertised. You know, you guys are really impressing me. I think I drew all of that accent from this one comedian, Ranji, and then Beetlejuice, the actor's name. All right, so I'll come back. Oh my God, this is exactly what I wanted. Exactly what I always. I drooled because that's what I always wanted. That's what I always wanted it. Look at that, guys. Does she want to go up? Does she want to go up? Hell yeah, I want to go up. Okay. Did y'all see that? What? What it look like? Exactly what I ordered. It's exactly what I wanted. Exactly. So, as I mentioned before, man, this is cool. Let's get this. Okay, so the last thing we'll have to find out is if it pairs, and we'll try it out together. Here comes the test of intellect. Can I read these instructions? I don't know, it's so many. I can't. I just want to wing it. Just kidding. Now, here comes the remote control access. It worked. Hey guys, it worked. Okay, so,